It's Monday, so it's time for another video on my networking tips. Now, if you know me or you watch any of these videos, you know that I talk a lot about the importance of community and collaboration. When I talk to people, most people are really excited to get to collaboration, but they don't put in the time and the effort to build community. If you really want opportunities to come your way, if you want to partner with people who will refer you business, or you could collaborate on a project, if you want to succeed more because of the people in your network, the collaboration will come after you build the community. Now, the problem is so often people look at a community, whether it's just a couple of friends or a full friend group, or maybe your family or your company, the relationships you have inside, or maybe it's in your general business community. People assume because they show up and they're a nice person, they're part of the community. But in reality, you can't just show up and be part of a community. You have to join, you have to contribute, and you can't be critical, because we can look back and point fingers at all types of problems, but that's not solving the problems. We can give feedback all day long. What I look for is people who will provide feed forward. And by feed forward, I mean, it's okay to not like something or to think things should be done differently. But if you really want to make a difference in your community, if you want to be accepted into that community, look for ways to solve the problems. Now, don't get confused that you're going to solve every single problem. And don't think that just because you make a great suggestion, everyone's going to listen to you. However, if you focus on how can we, the greater group of this community, make this community better, rather than tearing people down or pointing fingers, if you look for ways to be part of the solution, your network over the long run is going to be exploding, because everybody that I know wants to be around people who contribute and who make a difference and who aren't just always complaining, but really trying to make things better. So look at the situation of whatever your community is. Don't think that you get to walk in and lead the community right away. It takes time and effort to build those relationships. However, if you're not engaged, if you're not joining the community and participating, well, you're never going to get to lead that community. So show up, participate, ask a lot of questions. And when you have ideas on how to make it better, make sure you deliver them in a positive, forward-looking way. So build community long before you get to collaboration. And you build community by showing up and sharing experiences and getting to know people on a personal level. So I really want to encourage you, if you're watching these videos because you're interested in growing your network and having more success, get involved in something. Join the associations that you're part of. I'm super active in the National Speakers Association. If you're involved in a technology company, get your company involved with that technology organization. If you're involved in your city and geographically, get involved with your Chamber of Commerce. You need to be involved and not just on the outside going, I don't like that. Get involved and work slowly to help make the positive changes that you want. And when you do it right, the collaboration and the opportunities are going to flood your way. So remember, community and collaboration matter, but you can't have one without the other. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and come back every week for the next networking tip that I have for you. Thanks a lot.